from that, Cabinet Secretary for Public Service, Performance and Delivery Management, Moses Kuria, has called on boards of state corporations members to demonstrate leadership, integrity and ethical values, as this will greatly improve the performance management of state corporations. Kuria, who was speaking in Naivasha during the opening of a 3-day Mwongozo induction for boards of state corporation, urged them to adopt the principle of whole government approach, as this will go a long way in service delivery to Kenyans. The CS also called on them to ensure that state corporations' strategic plans are aligned with the bottom-up economic transformation agenda as directed by President William Ruto. Emphasis was put on corrupt-free environment for different sectors, as well as encourage the use of technology advancement in assessing public service and also performance towards different boards.
A lot of our state corporations, either they do not have a strategic plan, or they have an outdated strategic plan, and except very few, most of our state corporations have not aligned their strategic plans to the Kenya Kwanza plan. And you know, for us, we are the first government since independence to govern the country, to lead this country on the basis of the documents which we sold to the people when we were looking for votes, when we were looking for this mandate. Previously, in the past, it has been a tendency that performance contracts, manifestos, plans are things that we take to the podium for looking for votes. As soon as governments get into power, they pull it away. Then on the final year, they will start preparing another manifesto. I want to sit here and promise you, our manifesto was not for 5 years.
We also hope that this platform will be a space for connection for Kenyans, not just within the country, but even those who are outside, who often experience challenges in connecting with government and being able to access government services. This should actually be a breakthrough, that they will feel part of government and part of the beneficiaries of the numerous services that government has to offer.
When good governance is embraced by institutions, it has a big impact not only on the way institutions are governed, but also on the bottom line, and which leads to wealth creation. And that's what we are supporting His Excellency the President in creation of wealth and development of this nation by ensuring that institutions are embracing the best practices, not only here in Kenya, but practices which have been benchmarked all over the world.